Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Sofia, the first on Dress to Impress. So for the hair, oh my gosh, what color is her hair? Like, it looked like really dark brown, and in another lighting it looks orange. So just color it to whatever you think her hair color is. It's either 9F613D or the one I have is 785834. I think I might stick with this one. Okay, you know what? I'll stick with this. For this hair, I just did this hair in default, and then I did no adjustments. And then for this one, I made minor adjustments, Z at 0.46, and that's it. For the outfit, I'm just going to go to codes, and I'm going to get this top in no collar and sleeves. For the first one, we're going to color it like a purple color, like a violet color. I had all my colors saved, but I don't know why I deleted it. Then for the second one, I used this swirly pink pattern in a light silk. And then for the lace, I just colored it white. For the sleeves, we're going to use this summer dress in sleeves only, in that same purple, and then the lace is just at white. Then for the skirt, you can pretty much use any skirt that you'd like to. You can use either this one or the other one. I'm just going to use this one. And I'm going to color this part like kind of the same pattern. And then I'm going to color the outside part purple. And then I'm just going to color the rest in white. And then for the stockings, I'll just use this in this pink color. And then I am going to, also, I think I might do just one color and not, what's it called? Oh, not a pattern. Why did I just touch this? Hello. Oh, we're also going to add a silk material to that. I might add light silk to the other one. There we go. And then for the shoes, we're going to get the one from the Valentine's update. Make it purple, but make it a little bit darker. Maybe like this color, 654E78. And then again, that color. And then she has kind of like a gem, like somewhere there. So let me see if I can add that using maybe this. Oh, not this one. Hello. Sorry. Maybe like this one. Just like the gem part, maybe. Oh, well, you can still see that though. Like the whole outfit's there. Maybe just use the like necklace instead for it. Like this one. And the second toggle. I actually don't know. Like in her picture and like the screenshot I saw, it's like a different color of necklace. One is like purple and one is like pink. So just color it to your heart's desire, because I don't know. So let's do that. She has it like lower, but I don't really want to scale that. So I'm just going to leave it like this. Then for the crown, you do need VIP for this. I'm just going to color it white, and I'll color the gems like pink. And then I'm just going to scale it down a little bit, and I'm going to position it so you guys can see the crown a little bit more. Whoops. Hello. There we go. Like so. And that is it. Sofia the First. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.